Hello, everybody, and thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm Deborah McKeegan, the CEO of Texintel, and we are on the Kornit booth here at Texprocess in Frankfurt. So, absolute pleasure to have with me Giovanni Pizzamiglio.
Yeah,
That's nearly
yeah, close.
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 Okay. Well, lovely to meet you. The first time I've met you here at the show. I believe you've been with Kornit now for over a year.
Yeah.
Specialism within the textile sector. So let's talk about the Presto because you have new launches here today, and let's dive in there.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's Texprocess is the first time for us to present the new Presto Max Plus, which is the evolution of the previous generation Presto Max, Presto Max S, and it brings a couple of very interesting features. So we are developing in that direction because we are more and more active in the technical textile area. And the first feature I want to highlight to you is the introduction of a new chemistry or a new polymer that we are adding into our ink line. And it has the specific purpose. So it's not to color the fabric, but it has to protect the fabric and make it more abrasion resistant. So what I'm showing here is just one sample. We can, of course, have a multi-layer application. So we can make it more thicker or less thicker. And we can control the resistance and the abrasion. So it breaks through completely the abrasion resistance that is normally used in the pigment printing.
So you not moved away, but adding from kind of the XDI technology where you're adding surface effects to technologies that actually give fabrics core stabilities for specific products. Now you say technical textiles, where are we within technical textiles?
We are integrating, or we are adding technical textile to our let me say to our to complete our range. So we are very much known in of course fashion and home decor, but our aim is to expand into technical textile. This means that the range of application will enormously expand into different directions. So sportswear, for example, is one of the applications that we are targeting, specifically for example, compression. So that's one of the applications. The other one that we have addressed significantly in the last couple of years is footwear and athleisure footwear, specifically, where we are able to replace analog process of production with a complete digital solution. So it means that we can avoid multi-layer application done with digital, with rotary or with screen printing, and it can be done in one step.
So for compression, for example, as opposed to having knitted compression technology, you're going for the printed version. So give it a new application.
Rather than having everything done in a woven process, we can simply take an elastic fabric, like a lycra or elastic with elastic property, and we can control the amount of this polymer, additional polymer. This polymer is extremely resistant, so it never cracks even when it's extremely extended, and it has the possibility to be made in a way that the functional behavior of the fabric is 100% controlled. So think about leggings, or think about socks, or that kind of application. That is sportswear. Footwear is already a reality, and we have already developed a solution that it is implemented into the new Presto Max Plus, which is the precise positioning of the print. So in the case of what you see here, this fabric is a woven fabric with a specific pattern, and we need to position exactly the printing in a precise position. And we are combining here all the various technologies. So you see here the precise positioning, you see here the white and the 3D effect, so the XDI effect, so the multi-dimensional. And on top of it, we have the DuraTech, which is the new polymer that I just mentioned before. So not only we have the perfect solution, but we have the right fastness, the right rubbing fastness, the right abrasion. All parameters are suitable for the real production, and this production is already in place.
Incredible. It's interesting you show me that, because I've just done an interview with somebody and we were discussing exactly this. So that's really interesting how the whole industry is looking across its breadth, really, to simplify all of the different steps.
Absolutely. This the main aim is to replace long process or cost intense labor with direct solution. So single step solution. Everything is handled very easily, very predictable result. Very repeatable result. Everything is done in a simple step.
Reducing its carbon footprint, but whilst also increasing its longevity. Tell me then about the new chemistry and the new materials for the Presto Plus. And how those affect both the fashion and particularly maybe the interior decor industry, because those increases in fixation, washability, crock, handle, all of those things will be of great interest for the decor industry.
So with our existing pigment solution, we already had a very advanced solution in terms of washability, life fastness, and abrasion resistant. Now we're taking to a new level, and these open up opportunity much beyond. So for fashion, we were already predefined. We didn't have any specific pending point. But addressing technical textile implies to operate in multiple markets, multiple materials. So the main challenge is to be able to print effectively on many different kind of material. We can call them media more than fabric, because some of them are like PVC or PU or TPU. Or even for aramidic fabric in the case of military application. So we are now targeting specifically the military camouflage as a revolution. As we can print on a wide variety of media, we can provide the right abrasion resistance, and on top of that, we can of course control the near infrared reflection, which is a must for military application.
Your landscape for you, isn't it? Interesting.
A lot of things actually. Looking around, you will see many different type of media, and the new frontier is basically to simplify the production of those analog processes that are still existing in the textile environment.
It's interesting though, because you're simplifying, but you're also adding so much creativity, pushing the boundaries of each of those product specifications here, aren't you? Putting it in the hands of the designer and the creative right at the very beginning.
Of course, yes. I can show you many different examples, but you see, it's always a combination of technology and creativity, and I think that Kornit is taking that really to the most advanced peak. To the max. To the Max Plus.
Max Plus, we'll end there then. Thank you very much, Giovanni.
Thank you. My pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
And thank you, everybody, for tuning in today. Thanks.